Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this question under geometry. We have to find the value of y here, which is an exterior angle to the figure. If you look at it carefully, we can say that this is a parallelogram. So the properties of parallelogram can also be applied. Knowing very well that this is an acute angle which will be equal to this acute angle. This obtuse equals to this. So if I know that this is this, this is this, if I add all of them, I'll be able to find a value of what? X. So if I place the value of x, multiply by 3, this plus this will be angles on a straight line, right? Or after finding the x, I can say that 2 times the x will give me this as a corresponding angles. All right, I can also ignore the properties of the quadrilateral and focus that if this is a parallel line, then I can consider this as a transverse. Then that means that becomes a co-interior angle. So 2x plus 3x should be equals to 180 degree. The property is co-interior angles, which are add up to what? 180. So here, as we'll be having 5x equals to 180, 5x divided by 5, 180 divided by 5. Your x can be found as going here, and that will be 3 times, right? Remember 3 times? Remember 3 as well, so that will be 36 degrees. So we know the value of that. I can put it here, I can put it there, but I can also say this is the same as this, as a corresponding angle. Y equals to 2x, this very one, which is going to be corresponding angles, which are also equal. So that means y will be 2 times the value of this is what? 36 degrees. I think this is this is 6. This is also going to be 12, so 72. So we have 72 degrees. So you know all the approach I've mentioned in the beginning can also be used to arrive at the same answer. This is just one approach that we can take. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.